Alright, there we go. Nice and thick sauce. So you know this is ready to go. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef John Morris, and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Almost 8 o'clock I'm gonna cook dinner yet, Sunday. I make some stew peas with chicken. It's one of them days where you know people do nothing. Everybody does sleep. It's a lazy day to be honest, you know. So I dry feed pressure cooker. I go with about 2.5 cups. Give it a second wash. Gonna fill this up with water. Season that with some salt. About a tablespoon of pink salt. Gonna go in it about 7 to 8 garlic cloves. And wash a few fresh thyme. Drop them in. Just gonna go in it a few pimento berries. And we're gonna pressure this for about 30 minutes until softened. Yeah, so this is about 3 pounds of chicken drums. I'm gonna add some vinegar over top. I'm gonna wash them. We're gonna take off the skin as well. Yeah, we don't want the skin funny. So just remove these skins. Alright, so just wash them clean. Let's give those a rinse. I think I'm gonna just chop these in 2. Alright, just gonna chop this in half. So just like that. So we're gonna season this up now, right? If you have green seasoning, you can go in with a tablespoon and a half. I don't have any green seasoning, but what I do have is some nice jerk seasoning that I made a few weeks ago. And it smells good. You can put a little bit of jerk. That will add some spice to this. I'm gonna go in with a tablespoon. This is like green seasoning with just the addition of the they call it the nutmeg and the allspice berries and stuff like that. A tablespoon and a half of all-purpose seasoning. A little bit of black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of onion powder. Just gonna massage everything in. As I said before, you don't have to use the jerk seasoning if you have a green seasoning. If you don't have any of them, you just stick to your regular all-purpose black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and there you go. I'm gonna try to do this in 2 batch because I don't want to overcrowd the air fryer. So about 10 to 15 minutes in the air fryer. We're gonna make some spinners. So about a cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of fine grained cornmeal, a little bit of pink salt. Mix that up. Then we're gonna add a little bit of water, about a 1/4 cup. And then we're just gonna mix that in to get a perfect dough. Alright, there you go. Dough is ready. Set that to the side. Alright, there we go. Greens are somewhat soft. I'm gonna finish this off in the pot because I don't want to keep on pressuring it and then they break apart. I don't want to overcook them, just to soften a bit in the pressure cooker. Alright, then we're just gonna cook these until tender. Let's see what these look like. Here we go. Nice color on them. These were cooking for around 15 minutes. I'm gonna add the second batch now. We have here some white onion chopped. We have some scotch bonnet pepper, some green onion, and some fresh thyme. And we're gonna set this aside, and this is what we're gonna be using to season our stew later on. I'm gonna add the washed cabbage to this. Mix that up. Here we go, a nice fresh salad. I'm gonna add a little bit of ice water on this, pack it in the fridge until we're ready to serve. We're gonna drain that water off and we should be good to go. This is one of my go-to salads. So just put it in the water, leave it in the fridge. Once it gets cold, then the cabbage, the carrots, everything gets nice and crispy. All right, so there's our peas, somewhat nice and soft. We're gonna go in with that chicken. Give that a stir. Yeah, man. I'm gonna pour some coconut milk, about half cup, just like that. Stir that up. I'm gonna allow this to come to a boil, and then we're gonna add all our spinach in. So cover up. So there we go, everything is bubbling. We're gonna go in with the white onion, green onion, scotch bonnet, and the fresh thyme. There we go. Give that a gentle mix. And as I said, the dumpling will help to thicken this up as well as the beans, right? Or in Jamaica we say peas. Don't worry about the extra onion and everything, you know. All flavor when it's cooked down properly. 10 to 15 minutes, allow this to cook on a medium low heat until the sauce is thickened and reduced to an extent, right? Chicken stew peas, man. You can use chicken foot, chicken back, anything you want, but in this case I only use the chicken legs. I'm gonna give this a taste. I'm gonna season with a little bit of all-purpose if we need it, and some black pepper. Alright, just a little bit of black pepper and about a teaspoon of all-purpose, nothing too crazy. Mix that in. Just gonna allow that to just simmer and reduce, and we should be good to go. I'm gonna cook up some white rice. Alright, so we're gonna wash and rinse 2 times and we should be good to go. Just gonna add about 1.5 tablespoons of butter, about 1.5 teaspoons of pink salt, nothing too crazy, because again we have the stew peas that's already fully flavored, right? Mix that up. So right here I'm using a rice cooker, so you can just follow the directions for your rice cooker. I typically just let it be 1.5 inches water above rice ratio. Yeah, we should be good to go. Alright, there we go. Nice and thick sauce. So you know this is ready to go. Spinach are cooked, chicken is nicely cooked. Here we go. Just remove the excess thyme sticks and we should be golden. Alright. Here we go. Nice fluffy rice. Thank you, Father God, for this food. Mash up some before the camera battery dead, you know. But, yeah. Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below. And say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home. You won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.